Hey guys, it's Akila from MealPrep.Asia, and this week I made 2 meals called the Easy and Healthy Beef Bulgogi. Check it out. Do you like Korean food? Honestly, I am not very much a huge fan of Korean food. I love it, but I don't eat every single thing that is Korean out there. Although I do love my bulgogis, I think they are perfect, they're healthy, and they're so easy to make. Of course, there are a little bit of variation from the authentic beef bulgogi dish that you can actually find in Korea or in Korean restaurants. So I apologize in advance to my Korean friends if this recipe is just totally different, but try my best, okay? I do tweak a little bit of things to make it healthier. And the good thing about beef bulgogi is that there's not much work that is needed to actually make it healthy. It's already a very healthy dish. And if you're like me, who really keeps a tab on how much beef you actually have during the week, I make sure I have about 2 servings of beef every single week. I find that it really helps with my energy level, and red meat is really high in iron, so that is awesome for your health as well. As a regular blood donor, I feel like it really helps me in between my blood donation intervals, and especially for us ladies during the time of the month, it's really good to have a little bit of red meat into your diet. It really helps with your iron levels, and it does help with your overall well-being. So this beef bulgogi dish is so easy to make. You can actually have it just by itself or accompany it with some brown rice, basmati rice, or if you want just even Korean rice, alright, or those kind of Japanese rice. It's up to you, okay? But I've made this super simple. It's 2 dish. It's easy. You can get it done in about 20 minutes. You don't need much ingredients, and it's super healthy. So if you are ready, grab a piece of paper and a pen and find out what you need. Got everything, guys? Let's get started.